In today's video, we'll be discussing techniques for engaging your audience with captivating content. Let's get started. The first technique to captivate your audience is to know them well. Understand their interests, behavior, and preferences to cater to their needs. Clarity and concision are essential for keeping your audience engaged. Make sure your content is easy to understand and communicate your ideas clearly and precisely. Creativity is key to creating captivating content. Use humor, visual aids, and storytelling to make your content unique and interesting. Lastly, continuously improve your content. Listen to feedback and adjust your approach to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. That's it! By knowing your audience, being clear and concise, being creative, and continuously improving, you'll be able to captivate your audience with your content. Thanks for watching.